Some smartwatches feel impressive on day one. Others earn trust quietly after a week of wear when you stop thinking about charging, syncing, or accuracy. This review is about a watch designed to stay out of your way while doing its job well. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, where we evaluate products with a focus on long-term ownership rather than first impressions. Today, we're reviewing the Amazfit Active 2 Sport smartwatch, a 44mm fitness-focused smartwatch built for Android and iPhone users. If you care about health tracking, battery life, and practical outdoor features, this is a model worth your attention. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. The Amazfit Active 2 is designed for people who want meaningful health insights and reliable sports tracking without committing to daily charging or ongoing subscription costs. It sits in an important space between lifestyle smartwatches and dedicated sports watches, offering depth without unnecessary complexity. If you train regularly, walk often, or simply want clearer insight into sleep and recovery, this watch is likely relevant to you. Reason number 1. The stainless steel case and slim profile strike a balance between durability and everyday style. It looks appropriate in casual settings while remaining robust enough for workouts, reducing the need to switch watches throughout the day. Reason number 2. The 1.32-inch AMOLED display is bright, sharp, and easy to read outdoors. Visibility remains strong in direct sunlight, which matters when checking metrics mid-workout or navigating maps on the move. Reason number 3. Amazfit's BioTracker sensor delivers consistent heart rate and sleep data. Trends feel reliable over time, supporting better awareness of recovery, stress, and daily exertion rather than isolated data points. Reason number 4. Battery life is a defining strength. With up to 10 days on a single charge during typical use, the watch minimizes interruptions and supports consistent tracking without nightly charging habits. Reason number 5. Built-in GPS with support for 5 satellite systems improves accuracy and connection speed. Whether running in the city or hiking trails, tracking remains stable and dependable. Reason number 6. Free offline maps with turn-by-turn directions add confidence outdoors. On-screen guidance and audio prompts through Bluetooth headphones reduce the need to carry a phone during activities. Reason number 7. With over 160 workout modes, the watch adapts to a wide range of activities. From strength training to swimming and skiing, tracking feels intentional rather than generic. Reason number 8. The Zepp app enhances ownership value by offering clear insights without mandatory subscriptions. Data security and GDPR compliance add reassurance, especially for long-term health tracking. Reason number 9. Daily usability benefits from thoughtful details like speech-to-text replies on Android and smooth navigation. It's trusted by many 5-star reviewers who value consistency and control. In final consideration, the Amazfit Active 2 does not aim to replace premium smartwatch ecosystems with extensive app libraries. Instead, it focuses on battery life, accurate tracking, and practical outdoor features. It's best suited for users who prioritize fitness, recovery, and independence from daily charging. If you want a smartwatch that supports your routine rather than distracting from it, this one is easy to recommend.